Whispers beyond the veil. Meditations on the Creator, faith, and the human heart. The sound of the Creator never made it to human. We begin with silence, not absence, but mystery. The divine does not speak in words, but in presence. This book is not a doctrine, but a journey through the quiet places where meaning stirs. Introduction: The Silence of the Divine. This is not a book of answers. It is a book of echoes. A book for those who have stood beneath the stars and asked, "Is anyone listening?" For those who have felt the silence and wondered if it was speaking. These meditations are not sermons. They are mirrors. They do not tell you what to believe. They ask you to feel what you already know. The Creator may not speak in thunder, but it moves in your breath. Faith may not wear a name, but it walks beside you. So come, not to learn, but to remember. Come with your questions. Come with your ache. The veil is thin. The mystery waits. Meditation 1. The Creator as Concept. The Creator does not speak in thunder, nor write in flame. It moves like breath, unseen but felt. Not a voice, but a presence. Not a rule, but a rhythm. The divine is not a king. It is a compass. A whisper that says, "Go where love leads." Meditation 2. 1,000 Faces of God. There was no single face of God. There are billions. Each heart holds a mirror. Each soul paints its own sky. Your Creator wears your scars. Mine sings in my silence. The divine is not one. It is many and none. It is the shape of longing in every human eye. Meditation 3. Religion and the Mortal Thread. Religion is a bridge, built by hands, carved from stories. It tries to reach the sky, but the sky is too wide. The divine cannot be caged in doctrine. Faith is older than temples, wiser than books. The Creator flows beyond the altar, in the wind, in the wound, in the wonder. Meditation 4. Faith without a name. Faith is not a temple, not a robe, not a rule. It is the breath you take when the world breaks, and you still choose to love. It is the silence between questions, the ache that doesn't ask for answers. Faith is not a God in the sky. It is the fire in your chest when you say yes to life without knowing what comes next. Meditation 5. Fana and the Ocean. The drop trembles at the edge of the sea. It fears the loss of name, of self, of story. But the ocean does not ask for sacrifice. It offers belonging. To dissolve is not to die. It is to become vast. The self fades, and in its place, eternity breathes. Meditation 6. Myth as memory. Myths are not lies. They are truths wrapped in metaphor. Orpheus sings. The Samarg flies. Isis weeps. These are not stories. They are mirrors. In every tale, a fragment of us. Myth is the language of the soul. It speaks where reason cannot reach. Meditation 7. The divine as becoming. The Creator is not a statue, not a throne, not a name carved in stone. It is movement, becoming. It grows with us, breaks with us. The divine is not a noun, it is a verb. Not a ruler, but a rhythm. Not above us, but within us, unfolding. Meditation 8. The sacred ordinary. The divine does not dwell only in temples. It lives in breath, in bread, in brokenness. It is the quiet kindness, the unnoticed grace. Every moment is a chance to meet the Creator. Every act of love is a prayer. The sacred is not rare. It is everywhere, if we learn to see. Closing all meditation. The pathless path. You have walked through mirrors, sat beside silence, asked questions that have no answers, and found truths that need no proof. The Creator did not speak, but something moved in your chest. Faith did not wear a name, but it held your hand. You are not leaving this book. You are entering yourself. The path is not marked. The map is not drawn. But the stars are watching, and the mystery waits. So go, not with certainty, but with wonder. Not with belief, but with love. The veil is thin, the divine is near, and you are ready.